Domestic generator installation. This document provides a comprehensive guide on the installation of domestic generators. It covers essential considerations, installation procedures, safety measures, and maintenance tips to ensure a successful and efficient setup. Whether you are looking to install a generator for backup power during outages or to support your household's energy needs, this guide will help you navigate the process effectively. 1. Understanding domestic generators. Domestic generators are devices that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, providing power to homes during outages or when additional electricity is needed. They come in various types, including portable and standby generators, each with unique features and applications. Types of generators. Portable generators. These are smaller, mobile units that can be easily transported and used for temporary power needs. Standby generators. Installed permanently, these generators automatically provide power during outages and are connected directly to the home's electrical system. 2. Planning your installation. Assessing power needs. Before installation, determine the total wattage required to power essential appliances and systems in your home. This assessment will help you choose the right generator size. Choosing the right location. Select a suitable location for your generator, considering the following factors. Ventilation. Generators produce exhaust fumes. Ensure adequate airflow to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Accessibility. The generator should be easily accessible for maintenance and refueling. Distance from structures. Maintain a safe distance from your home and other structures to minimize fire hazards. 3. Installation procedures. Required tools and materials. Generator unit. Transfer switch, for standby generators. Fuel source, gasoline, propane, or diesel. Electrical wiring and connectors. Safety gear, gloves, goggles. Step-by-step installation. Prepare the site, clear the area where the generator will be installed, ensuring it is level and free of debris. Install the transfer switch. For standby generators, install a transfer switch to connect the generator to your home's electrical system safely. Connect fuel supply. If applicable, connect the generator to its fuel source, following the manufacturer's guidelines. Wiring. Connect the generator to the transfer switch and ensure all electrical connections are secure and compliant with local codes. Testing. Once installed, test the generator to ensure it operates correctly and provides the necessary power. 4. Safety measures. Read the manual. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual for specific installation and operational instructions. Carbon monoxide detectors. Install code detectors in your home to monitor for dangerous gas levels. Regular maintenance. Schedule routine maintenance checks to ensure the generator operates efficiently and safely. 5. Maintenance tips. Regular inspections. Check the generator regularly for signs of wear or damage. Oil changes. Change the oil as recommended by the manufacturer to keep the engine running smoothly. Battery maintenance. If your generator has a battery, check its charge and condition periodically. Conclusion. Installing a domestic generator can provide peace of mind during power outages and enhance your home's energy resilience. By following the guidelines outlined in this document, you can ensure a safe and effective installation process. Always prioritize safety and consult professionals when necessary to achieve the best results.